This video tutorial I will explain what is single sign-on and why do we need a single sign-on. Imagine you have a bunch of different rooms in your house and each room requires different key to unlock the door. And every time you want to enter the new room, you have to search for the correct key and it can be quite frustrating and time consuming. Now you think of each room as a different website or application which you are using on daily basis, and each key has a unique username and password which you need to remember. And if you have many websites and application, then you end up with a lot of keys or username and password combination to keep track of each application, and which can become overwhelming. Single sign-on is like having magic key that can unlock all the doors in your house. With single sign-on, you only need one key, which is nothing but one set of login credentials to access multiple websites and applications. So instead of remembering different username and passwords for each site, you just use your magic key. In this case, it is SSO credentials to get or access all the applications and websites. SSO make things much more convenient because you don't have to waste time searching for the right username and password combination for every time you visit different website or application. And SSO simplifies the process and saves you from hassle of remembering and managing multiple set of login information. And also it enhances the security because you only need to remember one strong and secure magic key instead of several different ones. SSO is an authentication scheme that enables users to securely authenticate with multiple applications and websites by logging in only once with just one set of credentials. Credentials are nothing but username and password combination. This is the definition for SSO. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.